Welcome to ST Academy. Today, let us put some light on Telangana Intermediate Exam 2021 Inter Second Year Botany important questions after the reduction of 30% of the syllabus. As we all know that Board of Intermediate has reduced its syllabus by 30%. In this video, we will see all important questions of Botany second year, LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us watch the video. Let us see the long answers questions of botany. We know that the long questions carries 8 marks. The 8 marks question from chapter number 5, respiration in plants. The first question is give an account of glycolysis. Where does it occurs? And what are the end products? This is a very important question. The next question is explain the reaction of Krebs cycle. Let us see the LAQs from the next chapter. That is the chapter number 11, biotechnology. The third question is explain briefly the various process of recombinant DNA technology. Again, account of tools of DNA technology. These two are very important questions. Next is chapter 13, strategies for enhancement in fruit production. Fifth question, describe the tissue culture technique. What are the advantages of tissue culture? Next and the last LAQ question is sixth one, you are a botanist working in an area of plant breeding. Describe the various steps that you will undertake to release a new variety. Let us see the unit wise and chapter wise SAQs and VSAQs. The first unit, plant physiology, chapter 1 SAQs. I have given here 7 SAQs. Define and explain water potential. Write note on facilitated diffusion. What is meant by plasmolysis? Next, fourth is ascent of sap occur in tall trees. Fifth is transpiration is necessary. Sixth, mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. Seventh one is very important. All 7 questions are very important SAQs of transport in plants. Next is VSAQs of same chapter, transport in plants. I have given 9 VSAQs. These are very important questions that fetch you maximum marks, both SAQ and VSAQs. If you read this question, definitely it will give you 2 plus 4, 6 marks from this chapter. I have given 9 VSAQs. The first is what are porins. Second one is water potential. Third is osmosis from diffusion. Fourth is apoplast and symplast. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9. These are very important questions. Next is chapter number 3 from unit 1. That is enzymes. I have given 3 SAQs. 8th is write briefly about enzyme inhibitors. 9th is explain different types of cofactors. 10th is explain the mechanism of enzyme reaction. Let us see the VSAQs from the same chapter of enzymes. First is the 10th one. How are prosthetic groups different from cofactors? 11th is what is mean by feedback inhibition. 12th is oxidoreductases. 13 is difference between apoenzymes and cofactors. 14, 15, 16, 17. These are very important VSAQs of this enzyme chapter. The chapter number 4, that is photosynthesis in higher plants. I have given the questions, very important questions. SAQs I have given 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dry neat label diagram of chloroplast. Tabulate any 8 difference between C3 and C4 plant cycles. 13 is describe in brief photo respiration. 14 is describe CF pathway. 15 is a very important question. 16 is also a very important question. Chlorophyll is a very important question of chapter photosynthesis in higher plants. Let us see the VSAQs from this same chapter. I have given from 18 to 24. These are very important VSQs that definitely fetch you good marks in this from this chapter. The first 18 one is how does the photolysis of H2O occurs. 19 is how many molecules of ATP and NADPH are needed to fix a molecule of CO2 in C3 plants. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, these all are very important VSQs. At the same time, I also mentioned some SAQs of this same chapter. Practice this to get maximum marks in your board exam. Let us see the next chapter from the same unit 1, plant physiology, 6th chapter, plants growth and development. I have given some SAQs from this chapter. Write a note on agricultural and horticulture application of auxins. Next, 18 one is write the physiological responses of gibberellins in plants. 19 is for physiological effect of cytokinins in plants. 21 is physiological process that are regulated by ethylene in plants. The last SAQ, that is 21, write about SGR and RGR. From the same chapter, let us see the VSAQs, plant growth and development. 25 to 30, I have given the VSAQs. These are very important VSAQs that gives you more marks in your board exam. What is the disease that form the basis for the identification of gibberellins in plants? 26, apical domains. And 27, what is meant by bolting? 28 is respiratory, climatic. And 29 and 30, these are very important VSAQs that definitely fetch maximum marks from this chapter. Let us see from unit 2, microbiology, chapter number 7, very important chapter. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4 SAQs, 22 to 25. How are bacteria classified on the basis of morphology, and how are bacteria classified on the basis of number and distribution of flagella. 24th is nutritional group of bacteria based on sources of energy and carbon. 25th is explain the conjugation in bacteria. These are very important SAQs of this chapter, bacteria, chapter number 7. Let us see the VSAQs from the same chapter, bacteria. 31 to 38, I have given some VSAQs. Name the bacteria which is common inhabitant of human intestine. 30 is 30, 32, 33, 34 up to 38. These are very important VSAQs from the chapter bacteria, that is from unit 2. Let us see the next chapter, that is chapter number 8. I have given 4 SAQs, important SAQs of this chapter. Explain the structure of TMV, explain the structure of T even, and 28 lactic cycle, 29 lactic and lysogenic cycle. Very important SAQs of this chapter of virus. Next, let us see the VSAQs from the same chapter, 39 to 46. These are very important VSAQs that definitely give you maximum marks in your board exam. Try to practice all SAQs and VSAQs, whatever I have mentioned from all the chapters and the unit, that definitely give you maximum marks in your IP exams. Let us see unit 3, genetics, chapter 9, principle of inheritance and variation. SAQ question 30 to 35. Mention the advantages of selecting pea plants for experimental by Mendel. Difference between the following dominant and recessive A, B. 32, 33, 35 important questions. Next is the VSAQ question of genetics, chapter 9, principle of inheritance and variation. 47th question, what is the cross between the F1 progeny? And 48, do you think Mendel 5 laws of inheritance? 49 to 53, these are very important VSAQs that gives you 2 marks from this chapter. Next is unit 4, molecular biology, chapter 10, molecular basis of inheritance. This chapter carries only 4 marks. Important SAQs I have given 36 to 42. Practice these SAQs. Define transformation in Griff's experiment. 37 is how many types of RNA polymerases exist. 38, what are the contribution of George Gamow, Hedgy Khurana, Marshall, Nirenberg in the Deciphering the Genetic Code. 39. Systematic diagrammatic representation of LAC operon. 40. Difference between DNA and RNA. This is very important question. What are the next is 41 features of genetic code. 42 nucleosomes. These are important questions, SAQs of 10th chapter. Let us see the last chapter, that is molecular biology. Chapter number 12, biotechnology and its application. Question number 43, list out beneficial aspect of transgenic plant. 44 is a very important question, give a brief account of BT carton. 45th is what are some biosafety issues concerned with genetically modified crops. 46th, the last question, SAQ of this chapter, give a brief account on pest resistant plants. I have given all the important questions of botany inter second year, LAQs, SAQs, VSAQs. I request the student practice each and every question to get maximum marks in your board exam. If you practice all these questions, I definitely assure you that you will get maximum marks in your board exam in 2020-21. In our next video, we will also upload the important questions of zoology that will be helpful for the student to score more marks in the subject zoology. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.